Welcome back to another episode of Money in Minutes. It's Stock Market Daddy, 9:53 a.m. and we are trading the SPY. We have a bullish reversal here. What is a bullish reversal? A bullish reversal is when we have a red power move to the downside, a red powerful candle, the power bar, that is immediately taken out by a green power bar. So that is a complete reversal. All right, and once that happens, that's our signal to enter the trade because we're going to have continuation to the upside, the bullish side. All right, the bullish reversal. Now, where is the take profit target when you're dealing with a bullish reversal? So a lot of times when we are under these moving averages, shout out to OV again, peace and love, my guy. Thank you for all that you've contributed to the YouTube community because we are cooking because of you. All right, so when we have a strong move in one direction, in this particular case, a powerful move to the downside, we've broken the 200 period moving average and we've had a continuation for the first 20 minutes of the trading day. Now we've reached somewhat of a bottom. So we're having this bullish reversal right when this green candle here takes out the top of this red candle. That is our cue to enter. We are looking at a $125 call with a 20 delta. All right, so $124 investment. Boom, we're in the trade. Now we're continuing to move up. Now where is our profit target? So I am anticipating a 25 to 50% move up, followed by continuation to the downside. All right, so my trading has been slightly inverted. Like I like to do this. I like this particular entry, but more importantly, I would like to get in with the flow. So this is counter trend trading. All right, this is me going against the trend, but in reality, I'm anticipating this thing to pull back 25 to 50% and then continue down to make another low, which would give us a double bottom. So where is it going to turn around at? All right, so I am a little hesitant. Now, typically on any other stock or any other ETF that I'm day trading, I'm looking to return to the 21 period moving average. All right, I'm looking to go back to that solid average price, and things are trending, especially in the direction that it's trending. But I've noticed that with the SPY tends to be more attracted to the 50 period moving average from my opinion. So in some cases, I've seen the SPY go beyond the 20, touch the 50, and then reject from the 50 and continue to the downside instead of rejecting from the 21. But this isn't one of those trades that I was convicted. All right, it was one of these trades that I rewatched and was able to recognize that was part of the pattern when I coupled this trade with several others. Why am I telling you that? Because it's important to journal, and if you can't journal, you're not one to write every little detail down, then it's very important for you to screen record your trades and play them back. All right, extremely powerful and extremely helpful. So here we are touching the 8 period moving average, getting a little bit of a rejection, and then we are going to continue to the upside. Now I'm getting nervous right now considering selling because of that tail bar. All right, but I'm also trying to give it enough time to do whatever it's going to do. All right, so we're continuing to pump. Now we also have a 3 push profit rule where after I enter that first candle, here we go, I'm about to get out right there as we approach this 13 period moving average. I went ahead and took profit on the second push. All right, that's a bit premature. All right, but at the end of the day, I took the profit at 10%. I would have liked to anticipate that bullish reversal a little bit better. Like I waited to the last possible minute, almost right before the candle closed, to enter. And had I anticipated that, I would have gotten a much better price. And if I was wrong, I would have lost less money. All right, so as you can see, we're continuing up continuing up. We are getting some rejection from that 13 period moving average. So right now I'm not too upset that I got out early, but I'm also being mindful and paying attention to the fact that we have more room to go. And look at that, pushing up even further to the 200 period moving average, continuing up. All right, so you don't need the whole move. I really do like to capture the entire move, but the biggest thing is to be confident on your entries and trading the chart and taking a solid percentage. So when you start putting up $1,000, $2,000, you're not going to be so fixated on the 20% trade. You might get a little excited and take 10%, but 10% of 2,000 is still 200. So you can you can do a 10% trade on a play like this and still feel good. 20% is even better. So again, we're continuing to move up. 1, 2, and if I was sticking to the 3 push profit rule, I would take profit right when this particular trade makes a new high. All right, so it looks like we're getting some pullback. We're getting a little bit of a pullback, and at this point I would anticipate us continuing back down to make a new low, the beginning of the double bottom. All right, I hope that was helpful. Peace and love, family, and I hope you get rich. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.